Hi there. Hi, this is a quick introduction into our lead appointment bot that we have. So this email here came to me from a request I made to a company yesterday about 1 o'clock. So I filled in a contact us form, and here I am nearly 24 hours later with no idea when someone's going to call me. I haven't even had a phone call to acknowledge or anyone try to understand and help me. And clearly, this is what I received when I made the inquiry. I'm none the wiser when they're going to, when or if they're going to pick it up. Just out of interest, we did a survey to about 250 companies who had a myriad of live chat, contact us forms, and the time for the right person to call back and engage with me in those 250 inquiries was 46 hours. So we don't classify live chat with someone who just takes your name and number and says, "Oh, I'll pass it on." That's not first time engagement, really, in our eyes. So I just want to show you how this would work in other scenarios. So here we have our website with clearly our bot. So someone would simply click on here if they want to make an inquiry. So there are three core products that we have. So if they wanted to inquire about WhatsApp, now we could actually qualify this with a geographic location first, or some other pre-qualifying questions. But let's just say we want to set up an exploratory phone call. Now what this is doing, it's going into the diaries of everyone in the business that can handle that inquiry for the WhatsApp software. So if your sales teams cover different areas, it doesn't just bring up the calendar of one person. It brings up the collective availability of a pool of resources in the business that can engage with that client. So I say, okay, let's book a phone call for 2:30, and we can confirm the meeting. And then the bot just simply takes more details: name, number, phone number, email. And once that meeting is confirmed through the bot, the salesperson gets the notification via email, and it goes into their calendar. And the user here is told who was going to be contacting them back at that time. So clearly, this is a time that suits the salesperson who's capable of the product, or it's on their area that they work within. And the customer, it's good for the customer because they know at 2:30 tomorrow they're going to get a call back from someone in the business who can deal with that inquiry. So here is it working in a slightly different scenario. This is an estate agent. So here we're sort of saying book a valuation or WhatsApp us. So I could go into the bot. Do I want to sell or let my house? Well, I want to sell it. So I want to get someone to come around for valuation. Now, this particular company have got 5 locations. And when I put my postcode in, I happen to know that this is going to the Epsom branch as opposed to the Ewell or the Stoneleigh branch. I'm going to book a valuation at my home. And again, we now bring the people up in the Epsom branch only who cover sales valuations. So I can click into here, and there we go. Again, it's a collective availability of all the people. So it does a fair distribution of leads. It bases itself on availability first. If there's a conflict of 2 people being available at the same time, it will do a round robin. So we're allocating the leads straight to the person in their calendar and appointing it there and then. So hopefully that explains the lead appointment bot. Thank you.